Hey, Kevin Wilson here. Listen, I want to share something with you. I hear people play like the major scales, okay? But you can do things with the major scales, and it doesn't sound like you're just playing a scale. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to play a major scale, but I'm actually going to stop on the five of the scale, okay? So, see? Stopping on the five, which is the E. So now, if I don't want it to sound like a scale, I can use just certain notes in the scale. You can do that. You can do that. See that? So you can play these scales without it sounding like. So do it like. See that? Like double stops without actually sounding like you're playing a scale. One more time. Or so take that, use it, have fun with it, and guess what? I'll see you next week. Take care.